So let's take a quick look on what we will be expecting this week on gold. So I'm going to do detailed analysis, but before that, make sure you subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to this channel. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel. I'll be giving you guys back-to-back updates on gold on our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So when you take a look at this movement on gold, you can see that the full movement is literally a movement to the downside, right? Market is literally trending. At first, it was trending to the upside, but right now, the trend has changed and it is now trending to the downside. That is exactly what you are seeing. As you can see here, this here is our lower low, and this is our lower high. This here is our lower low, and this is our lower high. This here is also our lower low. You can see new low, and we came here, it gave us an equal high, equal lower high. You can see it's equal, then it eventually dropped. So we would expect a little bit of a pullback, which I just played. What next you should be expecting this week is another drop again. So basically, for whatever thing you would want to do on gold, look to sell on gold, because you'll be expecting that drop in 2, 3, or 4 weeks time. By the time December end, we should probably be, market should have break below this level. So our movement is to the downside. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So when you take a look at this forward time frame, you see something like a double top playing out here. At first, there was a rejection around this level here, right? I mean, take a look at this lower low, lower high. You can see it, lower low. Then you can see it came to give us our lower high. Markets drop a bit, it did not form the lower low. Then it has now come back to test it. And guess what are you going to be expecting? Another drop again. So one of the reasons why I said we will be expecting a drop to the lower low, we'll be expecting a more drop. Now, can markets change? Absolutely yes. Markets can actually push onto the upside, but I am not saying that. If it will do that, I will give you guys an update and I'll tell you. That is why I want you to follow the Telegram channel, so you will stay updated and you will get an update. For right now, gold, our bias on gold is to the downside. Now, if there will be any changes, as there could be changes in gold, I'll give you guys an update. That will be in the Telegram channel.